I've seen a lot of people commenting that we don't need to worry if the Human Rights Act gets taken away because we have the Magna Carta, but that is fundamentally wrong and I'll tell you why. The Magna Carta was between the barons and the king at the time. It was intended to create privileges for the barons and to restrict the power of the king. It introduced some things into the law, such as the right to a fair trial. However, the Magna Carta is not relied on today for those human rights. Instead, it is pieces of law such as the Human Rights Act. If the Human Rights Act vanished tomorrow, the Magna Carta would offer very little practical protection. And that's because the courts now treat it as mostly historical. It doesn't give a comprehensive set of enforceable rights for ordinary people. And many modern rights aren't addressed at all. The Magna Carta is a symbolic foundation of the rule of law, but it is not a viable legal framework for protecting human rights today. Without the Human Rights Act, instead decisions in courts would have to be based on common law. That's the decisions made by judges in previous cases and on other pieces of legislation, but it would not rely on the Magna Carta. And this is why you should be very alarmed about the Human Rights Act and the ECHR just disappearing, because you will not have those rights remaining in other areas. Once it's gone, it's gone.